back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Today we're going to follow up on my last day trading updates, what I saw for Chainlink didn't happen, and Bitcoin is still moving in the direction that I told you about when we formed this double top formation right here. As you can see, kind of clear as day. So we had our first leg down, first retrace. What happens next? Well, let's take a look at the chart. So Bitcoin has done some expected moves on the lower time frames. I'm going to show you that in a moment, but as I said in the intro, double top formation, first leg down, first retrace. We're currently still moving sideways to grab the last liquidity before we head down to possibly recover this volume candle right here at 54k. We will have a retrace from there, possibly up to 60k again. Then we're gonna have a last leg down to shake out the retail traders at around 52k, clear all those open orders and move out of there in a swift manner. So if we go into the 1 hour time frame, I think it was during the weekend that we created this volume candle right here. As you can see, right here is where the volume candle is on the previous rate tool. We've currently recovered it. I saw this volume candle, which is kind of called a climatic volume candle, when we have volume over 8k or around 8k on the 1 hour time frame. The next candle stabilizes, then you could theoretically go long to recover this volume candle, which is what I did. And as you can see, we're currently rejecting almost exactly to where the volume candle was formed. Interesting indeed. I do think we're gonna pump even higher going forward, possibly all the way up to this volume candle right here on the 1 hour time frame at 65k. So could mark it off in your chart if you want to scalp a bit. This is the next volume candle to recover on the 1 hour time frame. Use smart leverage, don't over leverage yourself. So after that, I do think we're gonna go to the downside. Looking at news services for this week, the big one is the CPI numbers from the US. If inflation is still sticky above 3.4%, well, then Jerome Powell is going to have a problem. We're not going to see lower interest rates this year. So take that in consideration. Trading Wednesday is a big day. Until then, we're going to see preparation before that. So if we see a pump, it could mean that we dump on Thursday and Friday, and vice versa. So at the liquidation map, we can see we ate up a lot of money, or the market maker did, in this move to the upside. We still have some left above at 63k, 20 million, 80 million, yeah, roughly $50 million still to be taken. I do think the number is going to grow when retail starts jumping into longs, and yeah, this pile of money is going to grow. I think we're going to pump even more, and then we're going to aim for that liquidity to the downside. Roughly 32 million at 60k. Yeah, with that being said, nothing of this is financial advice. This is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. So Chainlink did some interesting moves during last week. I told you about this in my last day trading update, that we kind of formed a double bottom formation, or started to form, when we moved like this. I said the point to break is $16.09 confirmation, and bam, we could see a nice run towards the $30 zone. But however, as you can see, we rejected from $15 and we're moving to the downside. So if we break this low right here at $11.95, we're going for the second leg down, which could be to recover this one candle right here on the daily time frame at $11.4. Could have another retrace to the upside at, let's say, $14 or even up to 15, and then we could have the last and final leg down for Chainlink sub $10, because we have big volume candles right here, a lot of open orders in that zone, which we haven't recovered. It would be so good if we did that, because we were in a range from $8.5 to roughly $6 for over a year. So to tap into that zone one last time and then move out of there quickly and swiftly, that is what could be on the cards for Chainlink day trading wise. You know, it's a solid project. We talk about it a lot on this channel, but you have to remember, none of the things we bring up here is financial advice. It's just for education and entertainment purposes only. So with that being said, I hope you learned something. Big Boss out.